So this is the current state of the Rabbit. It's been plagued by transmission issues. This is a stock trans that I try to modify, but second gear is a problem. But I did put in a new clutch pressure plate. I got the flywheel resurfaced. And there's all brand new. And then the other thing that I did was, this is my dog box, third and fourth slider. This is the one that I tried to repair. I don't even remember I filmed that one, but it got all messed up. I tried to fix it, put it back in the car, and it didn't work. It worked for literally 5 minutes. And that's because my clutch was a problem. I don't know if you guys saw the short that I put out. The car would not, when I'm on the clutch all the way to the floor, it would not completely release the clutch. If the clutch is all the way on the floor and I give it gas, the car moves. And the pedal was maxed out all the way, changed the slave cylinder, changed everything, nothing helped. So I think the clutch killed the dog box. So I ended up getting a new, like I said, clutch, pressure plate, new slave cylinder, new master cylinder. That's all new. And I drove it with this trans. It was good, but this trans has second gear problems too. So we're back to square one. This year's just been weird. So I ordered the 3/4 slider, which took like a month. And then I sent the 3/4 slider and gears 3 and 4 to cryo heat in Cali to get them treated. And that took like 2.5 weeks. So they're here though. So this is the new 3/4 slider, the new one, and this is what it looks like coming from Brazil. This came, the Safina is Brazilian, and it took like a month for this to get here. But took it to cryo heat. They micro polished and cryo treated it. So that thing looks pretty good. I had gear 3 and 4 also are cryo treated. That's why they're so shiny. Micro polished and cryo treatment. That's why they look really good compared. This is second gear. I don't know if you can tell with the color, but nice. So with that being said, I gotta put this back on the car, on the transmission, and then try again. This year has been a transmission issues. The car has not made that full pass down the track. Nothing. It's just been transmission issues since last year. So I gotta do better than that. Do something.
Have the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
And just like that, the gear stack is on. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to do. But yeah. So 3/4 right here. Hopefully me getting it cryo treated and replacing the clutch and all that stuff will help this thing. So I gotta put the bell housing and then keep at it. So it's a new day. I'm gonna assemble the trans now. I got some scraper, RTV, some brake cleaner just to clean it off. I'm gonna put this on time lapse and just get her done because this transmission stuff is getting tiresome. It's getting tired of doing the same shit over and over and over. But yeah, I'll just put it on time lapse. There you go. So yeah, the trans is basically assembled. I just gotta put the mounts, the two mounts on, load it in the car or mount it in the car, slave cylinder, shift tower, axle cups. It's good to go. So I'm crossing my fingers that this time it don't fuck around. But if it does, and I'm gonna be trying and doing something different next year. Buy a different, maybe the Calamar, if I can get the money and buy one. Yeah, that's where it's at. So Transis is back together. I just gotta put a few things in it, and then it's gonna be in the car, and then maybe next video is gonna be on the track. We'll see. Later.